Hi everyone, this is a kids tablet or LCD panel. So it is used by kids when they want to write and also to remove. So as you see on this cover, it has some parts. There is a lock button which is behind. You will see it once I remove it. There is whitening area. So this is the area where people they have to write. There is erase button or delete button. It is this one. It's visible here. There is battery cover. Actually it's a D. It's back. So there is a writing pen. So it is here on the top. Then there is also running hole. So it is also back. So I'm going to show you how to use this kids tablet. So I'll just remove it from its box. So after moving on its box, so you see it, this is the tablet, so you can see it back, the same button they said. This is as they said, this is the open button, as they said on this one, lock button. So the first step, what you have to do is just to unlock it. If it's locked, after unlocking it, here you see the writing pen, so I have to take it out. Then your kid can start to write something, like for example 2 plus 2 equal 4, 3 plus 3 equal 6, etc. So want just to erase or to delete the writings, just have to press here, simple as that. You can write your name, for example Kevin. If you want again to delete this one, just you press this one, so simple as this. After using it, when you write something, after writing something, mathematics, lines, maybe alphabet, A, B, C, D, everything, C, D, E, you can just again delete this. After that, simple, what you have to do is just to keep this pen on his place, back on this place, then you can again check back to lock it. Simple as this. So I think this is very simple. So I think this will be very fun to all kids, and it can help your kids, just or children, to run very quick, and it will also contribute to less using of the books and so on, which is very helpful for our kids. So please just see, you can see everything on this, and you can just enjoy this tablet as you wish. Thank you so much.